mercy. Right in your arms is where I find this. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be, forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you, 'cause I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. Under the darkness, you're my moonlight. You brighten my sky.
I swear. Oh! Sir. Oh! Don't hurt my baby boy. Don't hurt my boy, please.
No. It is a girl.
Says who?
I told you already yesterday. It's an angel that looks exactly like me.
No, he's a prince that looks exactly like me.
No. I'll kick you now.
He is a boy.
I will kick you.
Oh, no, he is a boy.
No.
That boy right there is mine.
What is wrong? I'm going to hit you with slippers.
But he's a boy.
I will kick you now. I'll kick you so hard. I'm going to hit you with this.
He is a prince.
A girl. It's a
Come
girl.
on. That is my prince right there.
I'll hit you with the slippers.
That is my prince right there.
Girl.
It's a boy. It's a boy.
Oh.
The prince of this kingdom.
No.
Hey.
Oh, who have you?
Hey, that's my friend.
The prince himself.
How are you?
Cool, bro.
Good to see you.
Hey, yeah. Thank you. Angie, how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. Outside, some people trying to put it in my head that it's a boy and not a girl.
And who could that be?
Well, even the dog knows that he's a boy.
No.
A prince.
Tell him no.
My prince. Our prince.
It's a girl.
It's a boy.
A girl.
Boy.
A girl.
A boy.
A girl.
A prince.
Ah!
A boy.
Girl.
Don't please tell her it's a boy.
Okay.
Angel. That wins.
Prince. Prince.
No!
He's a prince, just like me. Okay, cover your eyes. Make sure you're keeping on the deal. Do not open your eyes. Okay, here we are.
Eyes are open.
My love. Please stop. What must have desecrated the sacred secretion of your eyes?
I wish for so many things. But I just wish that the happiness in this home, the happiness and friendship between us can circulate everywhere and anywhere.
My love, but we are good together.
Your mother doesn't like me. There's nothing I do that's good or...
Stop. Listen. I have told you this severally. You don't have to worry about my mother. You have to worry about me. I am the one that got married to you, not my mother. Listen, our love will stand the test of time. Together, we will stand tall. Together, we will move mountains. Stop. Don't be like that. Yes. You know what? Tomorrow, we will go for an early morning ride. You know how fun that is, yeah?
Yes, I do.
That's your favorite. Okay, so when we are done, we will go see Dr. Fred.
Yes, it's been a while, right?
Yeah. But not until clean your tears.
You are awesome.
And you're simply the best.
Mama? What? Mama, what's going on? Why? Mama, you're not saying anything. What?
Kedinobi, I had a bad dream. Your brother Obiako is in danger. Amiseke, Achogi people Mongwamo. They want to kill your brother. Oh.
Mama, who wants to kill my brother?
Who else? Who else if not Angelina? I warned your brother not to marry that woman from Amisieke. He refused. Ochiente. Kede bife iveja kwente munde kede be phone mode. Obiako Angelina chibu pulmwamo. Jeleni chibu pulmwamo. Ome lelege. Piako. Hi. Ifuge, have you sent it? Angelina you go call so that Obiako will not answer the mother. Hey! Man on a milli can chabama nyamban. I'm going to the city.
Mama,
now.
you know where you will go to the city this night. What's this now?
Angelina back to sender. Angelina, give watch Olo Galia. She wants to kill my son. She wants to kill Obiako for me. Ami Seke, Omelelunu. I am ready.
Mama, beg, you can't go
anymore. You decided to kill my son. Nanyam Naba. It's not possible. Angelina, whatever you are planning for my son or you plan, back to sender.
Amen.
Anything you are planning to my son, back to sender. Back to sender. Back to sender. Angelina no to back to sender. Next back to sender. Nobody back to sender. Back to if plan along whatever you plan for Biako, back to sender. I am sending all of them back. Chelu. Angelina, back to sender. Ebo Bunisi that plan. Whatever you are planning for my son. Obiako Mwankem, back to sender. No Toto, back to sender. Nefife, back to sender. Angelina ask him back to sender. Angelina, ask him back to sender. Nano Toto Manefi, back to sender. Angelina, back to sender. Ebo Bunisi.
Is everything
Angelina
okay?
ask him back to sender. Back to sender, Angelina. Ask him back to sender, Angelina. Ebo Bunisi.
Hey, Angelina, back to sender. Whatever it is must be very serious.
No, seriously.
I know.
Seriously, the way you said that was very, very funny.
Get away with your
Oh, the prince himself.
Oh, what's up, bro? I'm okay, dog. You are.
That's all. Why did you guys come to the office?
Because you were busy, so I thought staying here would be preferable.
The nurse said you were very busy.
So you are now strangers, eh?
Oh, well, yeah.
No, we just decided to wait for you here.
Yeah, thank God.
So, you asked.
Lord Birds, Dr. Fred is here.
Sorry, doctor.
And who cares, Dr. Fred? Who cares, for real?
No, I'm not with him on that. I care.
No, but for real, I don't care.
We care. Don't listen to him, but we honestly think it's about time you get married.
Yeah, that is true. Honestly, you need to settle down. Alright? And not just to any woman, but a queen.
Oh, God.
It's all right. Marriage here, come. Good. Back to why we're here. The sampler asked you to come with you. The first morning you're in.
I left it on the table. I mean, I did the urine sample, but I forgot it on the table in the room.
No, I'll just run along to get it real quick. Yeah.
I'll go with you.
No, you don't need to. Go where? You just need to relax here. Do not stress yourself. I'll go get it and I'll be back.
Very well then. Be careful.
Alright. Hey, take care of my wife.
Go get them. Go!
Okay, go. Okay, I'll be right back.
Go, no, just go. Go get it.
Let me go.
Yes.
Sure, bro. I'm waiting.
Oh, just I swear. Sorry, doctor.
What are friends for? The guy is funny.
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
Doctor, where's my husband?
It's not here yet.
Not here yet.
I've been calling his number, but it's not connecting.
Please. About 2 hours. Oh. Okay. Switched off. Switched off.
I'm surprised.
Nataba.
Wait!
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
Bianca. Hello, Bianca. I need to see you now. Please, calm down, my friend. Everything will be fine.
This is strange.
Where's my husband?
Wait.
Bianca, where's my husband?
Hello. Yes? Any news yet?
Please, you have to calm down, okay? Your husband is fine wherever he is. Maybe he might have stepped out to get something. No cause to worry.
No. Don't tell me not to worry. He left me at the hospital to come home and get me something. This vehicle was the same vehicle he drove to the house. Okay, the vehicle is here. He's nowhere to be found. The particular object he came home to get for me is up there untouched. I've searched every nook and cranny in this house and I still can't find him. You stand there and you ask me to calm down? How?
Please,
How am I supposed to calm down? How? I've searched everywhere.
You have to get hold of yourself, my friend. You have to. I'm just trying. Please, can you just try again? Please.
I've searched everywhere. I've searched everywhere. Who is it?
I'll get it.
Mama, you're welcome.
Where is Obieko?
Mama, please.
Where is Obieko?
Mama, calm down, please.
Get him Obieko no. Mama. Obieko mama. Yana neya landia. Get me. Obieko. Hey. Obieko mama. Your mother is here. Where are you? Kerebino. Kerebi Sinogaro. Obieko mama. Obieko. Kerebino. Obieko. You don't need a boy. Where is Obieko? Eh? Where is my son? Kerebi Sinogaro. Obieko. Biano, come down. Your mother is here. Obieko, see what I don't need now, boy. Angelina, where is my son? Live my son's life. You swore you would kill him before his time. But now it's such a kenas. I am his mother. And I am here. I am the one that gave birth to him. I carried him for 9 months in my womb. I know you intentionally switched off his phone so that he will not answer his mother's call. Because you are leaving this house this minute. Where is my son?
Mama,
Jelena, I'm asking you, am I not talking to somebody? Where is Obieko?
Mama, I mean, he was, we have been looking.
Looking for what, Angelina? Looking for Genedo? What are you saying?
Actually, Mama, we've been looking for him since morning. But I believe he will soon be back. He will.
Osnogen, who are you looking for? Hey! Alumudare! La 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 puta body feo. Jelina Bamoto. Jelina Bamoto. Jelina Angelina, where did you hide my son?
We're all at the hospital.
Where is Obiako, Mamo? Where is Obiako, Angelina? Where is Hide! Alwe Memo.
We're all at the hospital. I don't know.
Mama, I assure you, Prince is okay wherever he is.
Yeah, he is.
Angelina,
Calm down, please.
Obiebele, where is Obiako?
We're at the hospital.
Where is
He
Obiako?
came to get something and I haven't seen him since.
Where is Obiako? Angelina, give me my son. Leave me alone. Angelina, give me my son. Angelina,
He will be back.
But how true is this thing they say about Amisike women? That they are being used to destroy men. My question is, what would they gain by doing that? Left to me, I believe it is mere fallacy. What would anyone gain by destroying someone who has become a part of them? Did you not also hear that it's something they do not have control over? Are you saying they are also being manipulated? I still don't believe this.
You are the angel of my life. Right in your arms is where I find peace. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be. Forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you. 'Cause I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. You are the angel of my life. This love is a mystery. I'm under your spell, under your spell.
Angel.
Don't want out,
Prince.
don't want out.
Prince. Prince. Prince.
Did you hear that? His voice. Prince! He was calling out to me. You didn't hear his voice?
Listen, you've got to get hold of yourself. No one was calling you. You don't have to allow this get into your head. It's barely 24 hours your husband got missing and you're already behaving like this. Calm down, he will return. He will surely come back.
No. You mean Prince is not yet back?
No, he's not. But he will...
You have to call him now. Call him to stop playing with us and ask him to come back home. The child and I can no longer wait. We cannot stay one more minute without him. Bianca, call him. Call him now. Call him to stop playing and get back home. Call him now. We can't look for him anymore. We can't be worried anymore. Call him to come back now. His child wants to see him. Call him.
Angel, calm down. Your husband will...
Shh.
Don't let go, don't let go. I love you.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
He's calling. Can't you hear that?
Angel, stop this. You're losing it. Look at what you're doing to yourself. Your husband will return.
He's here. I can hear him. Clearly. Why can't you hear him? He's here.
I can't hear...
Shh. Shh. Just listen. You hear that? No. Listen, Bianca, listen. Please just listen. You hear? He's calling me. Listen. Put your ears down. Just listen, please. Can you hear that now? No. Open your ears and listen, Bianca. I can hear.
Angel,
I'm begging
stop watching yourself. Your husband will be back.
Oh, Bianca. Oh, Bianca. Just listen and call.
He will be back. Please.
Help me, God. Bianca, listen.
They can say what they wanna say, baby. It isn't true.
I mean, this whole thing is complicated. I really don't know why I'm having this feeling that all is not well with Prince wherever he is now.
Yeah, come to think of it, if his car is not parked in his compound,
You know, his entrance door and that of his bedroom are open. An indication that he entered the house. But the sample he came to pick is untouched. Or should we put it this way? If his car was not parked in his compound, one could assume that he never got home, or that he actually came and left. You know. But on the other hand, if what he came home to pick has been removed from where the wife said it was, one could still assume that he came home, picked it. Perhaps his car developed fault and he decided to use public or transport vehicle to return. These two situations could have exempted Prince from the house. What do you think, Bianca?
I get your points, Dr. Fred. I am quite confused as you are. Honestly, we have to take this very seriously. Because with what I witnessed yesterday, Angel will not survive it if anything should happen to Prince. I'm sure of that.
Prince has already been declared innocent.
Right in your arms is where I find peace. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be, forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you, 'cause I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. You are the angel of my life. This love is a mystery. I'm under your spell, under your spell. Don't want out, don't want out. Love more. You are the angel of my life. You are the angel of my life. Oh, babe, they can say what they wanna say. Baby, it isn't true. Time may set us apart.
Prince.
But the time
Prince!
is all gone. It's all gone. Oh, baby, wipe your tears. 'Cause I won't back down, won't back down. And I won't tap out, won't tap out. I won't let go, won't let go. I won't let go, won't let go. is a mystery. I'm under your spell, under your spell. Don't want out, don't want out.
Prince!
You are the angel of my life.
Prince! Ah! Where are you?
Right in your arms is where I find peace. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity.
Why are you tormenting?
Under your bond is
Show
where
yourself!
I wanna be.
Stop tormenting our love! Where are you? Ah! Stop tormenting my soul!
Don't let go.
Stop tormenting my soul! Chelina! So it's true! You killed my son and now he's tormenting you! You killed my son! I want you to die! Obiako! Obiako wabo! Jelina Ipamoto! Jelina! Jelina Iwabo! Jelina Iwabo! Amiseke Iune Iwabo!
Mama, what? Mama, what's this? Mama, I don't like this thing. I don't like it. Mama! Mama, what is it now? What is it? Mama, what now? What is this? Mama, talk now. Mama.
Jelina!
Mama.
Jelina
Mama,
Bamoto!
what now?
Jelina Bamoto!
Mama, I don't like this thing. Because tell me what is going on. Mama, what?
Jelina!
Mama.
Jelina Ibuemo!
This is your dream. No, Mama, talk to me now. What is this? Mama, talk now. Hey! Mama, because tell me what is going on. Mama, what?
Jelina!
Mama.
Jelina Ibuemo!
Mama.
Talk to me, what is it? Mama, Missy people have done it again. They have done it again, though. Hell!
Wait.
Let it not be what I am thinking.
Mama, Odobiako is dead.
Elijah, who told you that?
Mama, the news is everywhere now. They said his wife killed him and he has started tormenting her. As I speak to you now, Obiako's mother is back to this village.
How?
I tried her number severally, but she wasn't picking.
I then decided to check her up at home, only to find her lying unconsciously on the floor.
So, what of Mama?
She wasn't there, and her phone number isn't going through.
Thank God the baby is still rich. Glory be to God.
Thank God. Hi. Doctor, just help my friend. Do everything possible, please, for her to be fine.
Calm down. She'll see Prince again.
Okay. Angel. Hey, are you okay?
Bianca, my prince.
Hey.
Where's my prince? Bianca. Bianca. He's calling my name.
Hey.
He's not happy where he is, Bianca. I can hear his voice.
Don't worry, your prince will come to you. Please, calm down.
Don't worry, you'll see Prince again, okay?
Doctor.
Yes.
Dr. Fred. You are his best friend. Promise you take me to him. Promise. Bianca. Dr. Fred wants to take me there now.
He's calling my name. Relax. He's not happy where he is. He's calling my name. I need rest, please.
Bianca, take me there.
Not now, please.
My friends.
Talk to her. Fred, please. Tell her to calm down.
He's not happy where he is. He's sad. He's calling out my name. The treatment isn't good. The treatment is very bad. Please take me to him.
Calm down. Relax. Relax. You'll see your friends once again, please. Angel hears voices. Her husband's voice. What does that mean? Could it be that something has happened to Prince? Or is he?
We wouldn't conclude yet. There are 1,001 reasons that could make one hear voices, especially that of a loved one.
Hold yourself. Calm down. We, your kinsmen, we will make sure we get to the root of this matter. You see, matters concerning death must be handled with every seriousness because it is a delicate one. And we must make sure we invite our wife to come and explain herself.
Ini Edo, please don't be angry. Don't be angry that I interrupted you. But which kind of explanation do you want her to come and explain now?
Eh? Which one? You know these Amisike people. You know their way of life. Once you marry from them, it's either they kill you, maim you, incapacitate you, or make you handicapped. All in the name of trying to take charge. The women want to be in control. Eh? So what else you want? Have you forgotten that my only brother was killed by them? Even Onyekusi's brother, he was killed also for no just cause. What is there for her to explain again? She's a witch. She's the one who killed our son.
Mbakwe, you have spoken very, very well. But I want you to listen to me. Matters concerning death is a serious and delicate one that must be handled with caution. See, we do not have proof. We do not have proof yet to conclude on this matter. Yes, we do not have proof.
Inaikoko, Biko, what proof do you want? What other proof do you want? When the spirit of our brother is already tormenting her. Eh? See, our wife here, you heard her. She caught her red-handed, begging the spirit of our brother to forgive her, to stop tormenting her. So what other proof you want? Tell me. She is guilty and she must pay.
Mbakwe, I think I am in support of Naikoku's point of view.
Oh.
She is our daughter as well. Let us invite her over to hear from her own side of the story. If eventually she is found guilty, she must face the consequences of her action at once.
Onyanwa.
She is guilty already. She is guilty. What else do you want? She is guilty.
Mbakwe, calm down. We must follow this with caution. Eh? Munyai, calm down. Eh? Calm down. We will get to the root of this matter. If it no be, take care of one.
Uncle. Hello? Who was that? I've been summoned to the village by the elders.
For what?
Ilu Igbo na-asị na okenye ada n'ọnụ ụlọ ewu mmụọ n'agbụrụ. An elder does not sit at home and watch the she-goat deliver in theater. Angelina, our daughter, I am sure you have been pre-informed or you are aware the reason for this meeting. Your husband, our brother Obiako, is missing. And all fingers are pointing at you. I choose to ask you here and now to tell us the truth. Nothing but the truth. Before Isomona, all you know about the disappearance of Obiako, your husband.
My fathers, I do not know anything about his disappearance. We were both at the hospital together. When I forgot the sample the doctor had asked me to bring, he offered to rush home and get the sample. Up until now, I haven't seen him since then.
Jelena is one wege. Jelena is one wege. Jelena, if you know where you're hiding my son's body, go and bring him for me. Jedu talum nyabiko. Jedu talum mwam. Biko kanna yogun Jelena. Jelena, go and bring my son's body, oh. Makanu ne bugo kwa kunu siebu. Une bugo kunu siebu Jelena.
Mama, I don't know anything about it. I don't know where he went. I don't even know what has happened.
Hey, Jelena, are you denying because you are in my house? In Agagogo. Hi, Jelena, allo, mege. E don't kerenka. Jedu tamungwam. If you know where you're hiding my son, go and bring him for me, Jelena. Jelena, go and bring my son. I'm begging you, Jelena.
Munyanye dajo.
Iya fa potokotara anya.
Do dajo munyanye dajo.
Please, Angelina, do not lie before the elders. Is it true you have been hearing the voice of our son calling on your name? Has our son's voice been tormenting you?
Oh, stop this! Just answer the question. Is it true that you are hearing the voice of your husband without seeing him?
Yes, Nai.
Hey! Alu! Abomination!
But I don't understand. Bianca, I told you, I don't understand why.
Alu!
So it is
Yabuka Yoku!
So it is true you really killed my brother?
No, he's not dead.
Are you talking back at me? Are you talking back at me? Get out from me. Get out!
You killed my son. Allo memo.
No la Irapumetua, Kedi Fememe, Wanumo, Quisini, follow Munagarine, Obogini, I got around Biko, Nataba. Can you believe it? Come on, Nataba, Biko, Nataba. Timoma Nataba, Biko, Nataba. Irapumetua, Mono, Yebi, Nataba. Natakamuoka, Lucielu, Gini, Nataba. Biko, Ebobunino, Nataba. Nodolumu, Weloso, Welije, Nataba. Nataba, no Biko, Biko, Nataba, Nataba. Nataba.
Help me find my husband, Lord! Help me find Prince. I don't know where he is. I don't know how to start my search, but you can help me. Help me find my husband. Help me find him, Lord. I don't have anyone. I don't know how to start, but you have to help me. Help me find my husband. I'm breathing.
Okay, fine. Relax.
I'm relaxed.
You said you saw your husband.
Yes.
He walked past you. He never spoke to you.
No.
And the next minute you couldn't find him.
At all.
How?
I don't understand. I don't understand. I mean, I was coming and then I saw him, I recognized him, and I stood. And then he just walked past me. Not one word. Bianca, I prayed all night. I prayed to God all night to bring him close to me. I'm so certain that he heard my prayers. He heard my voice. Then I find him and then he doesn't say anything to me. I think he's angry. Do you think he's angry with me? Because like, he saw me and literally passed by. Like, without saying anything. He's angry, right? You think he's angry? He must be very upset, right? What are you doing here?
You again?
And with her again! We're everywhere looking for you! And you are here! We're all dead worried and you are here with her again!
You okay?
I am your wife! We've been married for 2 years! since February 14th. This is our wedding picture. Look at it. That's you. And that is me.
What is the meaning of this? Who are you?
Let's go.
Hey,
Stop it! Let him go.
Stop what?
You let him go. You.